Hi, I'm Daniel Grove. Here at Grove Heating and Cooling, our philosophy is to always do what's right for our customer, to gain your confidence and trust, to obtain a relationship with our customers for a lifetime. Grove Heating and Cooling is an award-winning company. We won the Consumer Choice Award in heating and air conditioning in the Gambrills area. For your convenience and peace of mind, we have 24-hour emergency service, and we have a fully staffed office. That means whenever you call, you get a live person 24 hours a day, so you know we'll be there to take care of your problem. We maintain a fully stocked warehouse to ensure repairs in a timely manner. Often, we can make the repair the same day. We are dedicated to having highly trained, uniformed technicians arriving on time, every time, with fully stocked vehicles for you. We take the time to explain the diagnosis to our customers and encourage you to let us show you the problem. We take such pride in our workmanship that we guarantee our new system installations for 1 year, a money-back guarantee. That's the confidence we have in doing our job right the first time. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau with 0 complaints. We strive hard to keep our reputation perfect and always do what's right for the customer. Our customer reviews and testimonials speak for themselves. We encourage you to view them on Google Reviews, Angie's List, and our website. Here at Grove, we're a family-owned business. Our reputation means everything to us. That's why every time you get the proper repair, the proper installation, and the best engineering.